So tell us what your shoulder was like before your operation.
Prior to the surgery, I'm active in the gym. I could not lift my arm one day from the side of my leg to my belt. It just wouldn't go overhead. And then subsequent to that, I made an appointment with Dr. Hirsch, told him my dilemma. He looked at my MRI and gave me various alternatives, one of which was at the bottom of the totem pole, the surgery, but I wanted to do that because I knew the extent of my injury.
Did you have to take a lot of pain medicine after surgery?
Not a pill, not a Tylenol, not an Advil, nothing.
And show us what your shoulder can do now. Any pain?
Not at all.
And your activity has improved?
Activity is, I'd say 90-95% of what it was before I got hurt.
And did you go to therapy at all?
None. I did it all on my own.
And your activities, what has changed?
My activity is, I'm pretty much back on a lighter scale. I used to lift heavy,
Right.
but now I basically use discretion on the amount that I use, the bands, the weights, and the exercises. But my range of motion is just beyond belief compared to where I was. And I mean, I couldn't even get my hand over my head, and now, I mean, I can do pretty much what I can do on my other arm.
Yeah, it just shows superior capsular reconstruction can reverse that, the effects of a massive rotator cuff tear.
Absolutely, and the nice thing about it, doctor, from day one, from this surgery to now, I never had one day of pain. Never.
Awesome. Thanks.